In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up notifications in the Realtor.com app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on the alerts that matter most so you never miss a new listing, a price drop, or helpful market updates. First, open the Realtor.com app on your phone or tablet. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign into your account. This keeps your preferences, saved searches, and notification choices tied to you, so the alerts you receive are relevant to your interests. If you use the app on more than one device, make sure you're using the same account everywhere so your settings stay consistent. Once the app is open, look for the More icon. You'll usually find it along the bottom navigation bar. It may appear as three horizontal lines, three dots, or be labeled More. Tap that to open the additional settings and options for your account. Inside this menu, locate the Notifications area. Here, you should see options for push notifications, emails, and recommended home and market news. These are the settings that control how and when the app reaches out to you. Turn on push notifications to receive instant alerts directly on your device. Setting this to immediately means the app will notify you as soon as something relevant happens, like a new home that matches your saved criteria or a notable change to a listing you're watching. This is the fastest way to stay on top of the market while you're on the go. Next, enable emails if you want updates to arrive in your inbox. This is helpful if you prefer to review updates later or keep a record of changes. Even with push alerts on, emails can serve as a reliable backup so you don't miss anything. Finally, toggle on recommended home and market news. With this enabled, the app can highlight helpful insights and suggestions related to your browsing behavior, saved areas, and overall trends. It's a good way to get context around what you're seeing in your searches, especially if you're tracking neighborhoods or price ranges. A few quick tips to make these settings work their best. If you're not seeing many alerts, notifications are most useful when you have at least one saved search or favorite home in the app. Also, if push alerts don't appear on your screen after enabling them here, check your device's notification permissions later to confirm they're allowed for the app. That's it. Open the app, tap More, and set push notifications, emails, and recommended home and market news to on or immediately. With these settings in place, you'll be ready to move quickly when the right opportunity comes along.